Some people say alternative fuels are hard to use. Is that true?
It's a good question. There's actually 3 ways to light the torch. And the best way to show you is to actually physically light the torch. But keep in mind, the first thing we want to remember is safety. Make sure you use the proper equipment, the proper safety gear before you light the torch. I'm going to use this visor here, but safety glasses are fine. The first way that we're gonna light it is probably the most common way, especially if you're used to acetylene, because this is the way you've used acetylene before. Is I'll turn the fuel gas on about 1/4 of a turn, then I'll add the oxygen. Then I can walk it up to the desired flame that I want. Depress the cutting oxygen. Readjust if necessary. When I'm done, you always want to hear that little whistle sound. Okay, when I'm done, make sure you shut off the oxygen first, the fuel gas last. Now that's the most common way to do it. If it's a little windy out or you got the fan blowing on you in July, you might want to keep the wind off the flame. So this is another way to do it. What I can do is turn it on 1/4 of a turn again. And if you notice, if I turn this all the way up where I want the flame to be, and I add oxygen, it'll blow itself out. So what I'm going to do in a windy condition is I'll light the torch, put a little back pressure on it, snap it in, and all I did was slow down that burning velocity and let it snap back up next to the tip. Again, depress the cutting oxygen lever, readjust the flame, and you're ready to go. Always remember, oxygen first, fuel gas last. And the third way to do it is to give it a little of each gas. A little fuel and a little oxygen. Then you can walk it up. Press the lever, adjust the flame. Always remember, oxygen first, fuel gas last. And those are your 3 basic ways.